Okay, we just got back from Walmart and Aidan.
All of this we bought. This is what we bought from Walmart. So we bought this big thing.
What is that?
That's Ryan's toy review.
And what's all in there, do you know?
Look.
Whoa, a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Ooze. And
We got some ball pits. We got
some
balls in the ball pit.
there's 100 balls. And what kind of ball pit is it?
It's Paw Patrol.
Okay, Paw Patrol, and it comes with 100 balls. So we're gonna open them and see how much fun they are, right?
Yeah.
What are we opening first?
Let's open this first.
Okay, you wanna see what's in the Ryan bag? Okay. Let's see, how do we open it? Pocket Watch Ryan's toy review. Let's see, we open it right here. Hold on, let Daddy tear it. Sorry, everybody watching. Okay. So tear it open. Open, pull. Are you hold?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, we got the ball, and we got the ball pit, Paw Patrol, and here's our dog Jingle.
All right.
Here's our stuff.
Whoa. Look at all that.
Whoa. Oh, we have to cut these.
So you have how many things are in there? 1.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. It says 8. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Look underneath it. There.
9.
No, yeah, there's 8.
10.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Open one up. Let me see what's in it.
Yes, who cut these open?
You can see if you can tear it. Let me see. Stick. You hold this. Okay, what's in this one? Ooh, it is Ryan's World Dust Combo
Slime.
Slime. Ooh, cool. What color?
Did you get? We got blue.
Blue. Cool. Blue slime. Okay.
Now let's do this one. Try this one.
Okay, what's in that one?
Let's see.
How about I'll just open them a little bit and then you can go and open them, okay?
Ooh.
Hold on. Let me get them all a little open. And then you can open them and show everybody. Alright, there's that one. So we got blue slime. And
So this is the kit. Here's the blue slime that we got.
yeah. Ooh. Okay. Now let's see what's in these.
Yeah, let's see what's in this one.
Ooh, what is it? Open it more. Oh, I know what it is.
It's Red Titan!
Cool.
Plushie!
A plushie? Whoa, cool.
It's Red Titan. Here's his cape.
That's cool. Let me see Red Titan. Say, Ryan, wherever you are, come find us.
Now, let's see this one. What is this?
Oh, you know, I know what that is. It's one that you have to put together.
Oh yeah, it's Ryan
You have
Robot.
to build a Ryan, right? It's a Ryan robot. Ooh, that's a good one. You got a good bag. Oh, cool.
Oh, it has red.
Can you put them together?
I don't know how to do
Yes, you can figure it out.
this.
That's his body. So look, here, hold this. Aidan. Wait. So put one foot on, one leg on. Snap them together. You might need your parents for this. Oh, I might need my parents for this.
Here's your
Let me
head.
get his arm. What does he have? A blaster on this arm?
Oh yeah.
What does his arm got?
I have to put the head on.
Okay, there you go.
Here.
Cool. Look here, Aidan. Look at the robot.
Yes.
Cool.
What's in
This
this
robot
one?
came.
Ooh, what is it? It's Red Titan figurine.
Oh, cool. Cool. So you got another Red Titan. Let me see. So this came with it. Say thank you, Ryan. You got it?
Oh, we have to open this one too.
Okay, find another one you can open really quick. Okay.
Ooh, this one looks. Ooh, what is this? What is this, you guys?
Gizmo. Gizmo.
Let me see what this is.
Can you get it?
Stuck. It's probably stuck.
Let's see. Oh, look, it's in here.
That's what Titan's best. Oh, what's this?
It's the Red Titan. What is it?
It's a Red Titan conversion for if you're a fan of Ryan.
What is it?
If you're a fan of Ryan.
But what is it?
Oh,
Oh, it's a dig surprise. You have
Yeah.
to dig it up. We'll have to do that one too.
yeah.
And what's in this one right there? That little one right there? I think it's a sticker. Do you want to put on the Red Titan one? Here, you put this on. This came on. This was in another one I just opened.
Yeah.
The Red Titan mask. Oh, cool! Look, Red Titan. It's Red Titan Aidan. Cool. And then look, Aidan, these were stickers in this one. Some Red Titan stickers. Put them all together, please. In the trash, all together, please. So we need to dig our Red Titan dig surprise. It's a mystery. And Gizmo's trying to eat all our other things. And let me see your mask. Cool.
Now it's over these.
Is that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The ooze is 7. And there's one more.
Oh, there's pizza.
Oh, that's what's in this little bag. What are these? Oh, that's a Red Titan controller. Oh, cool. It's a controller and pizza.
I got the rare hand.
The rare hand.
I got the rare one.
Cool. So now we need to open up the ooze. Let me see the ooze.
I showed them the ooze already.
I'm going to open it and see how gooey it is. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, it's squishy and sticky and yee. Say thank you, Ryan.
Thank you, Ryan. Oh,
And let's see. Then I guess we'll come back and we'll dig our surprise.
after we can open all that stuff up.
Maybe we'll open this stuff and do the digging at once. Say, Aidan.
Stay happy and healthy. Bye.